Hello and welcome back to Crowwing FPV. I'm Matt, and in this video we are going to dig into vodka. Absolutely, we're digging into vodka right here. Vodka. No, but for real. For the first time ever, my eyes have been a virgin to digital. Digital on an actual FPV drone. Now, I do say that the DJI FPV drone is an FPV drone at its core because it's a first-person view and you're flying it. So it's technically an FPV drone. But it's not a quad. Yeah, it is. But it's not a Cinewhoop. But it can be. Okay, anyway.
It's not a drone that I built. It's not a quad that I built. It's not a Cinewhoop that I built. Okay, so that's where it's at.
So anyway, I threw a Vista on here. I put the Vista up on a top, and it's really mounted very, very well. And I know it's exposed and it shouldn't really be there, but I didn't have anywhere else I could put it at this time. I need a longer MIPI cable to the camera in order to fit it down on the bottom and all this other lovely stuff. So that's where it went for now, and it will get moved eventually. So, but I just wanted to get out and I wanted to fly. And I wanted to see what it was gonna be like, if it was gonna be any different than the DJI FPV drone, the footage that you get to your goggles and that. And I gotta tell you, it's about the same. The quality of it is about the same. It might be a little bit better on the DJI FPV drone, but the quality is so amazingly good that it's awesome. I mean, it was allowing me to do things that I don't normally do. Run an analog. Now, I did run HG0 for a short period of time there, and I don't have anything bad to say about HG0. It's fantastic. It does a good job, but it's not like DJI. And I don't really do a lot of freestyle. I'm not very good at it. I kind of prefer just nice, good, just cool cinematic footage, you know, with some movement to it and stuff like that. I try not to be boring with it, is what I try not to do. Anyhow, so I got out, flew it, love it, it's fantastic, and well, fuck it, let's just look at the footage now, and I'll go back to drinking vodka. So this is going to be my first time flying a actual FPV drone using the DJI system. So I'm going to throw the Veyron up, and if you notice that the DJI Vista, or I'm sorry, the Caddx Vista was actually mounted on the top of this. I didn't really have anywhere I could put it to fit the MIPI cable and everything like that, so I put it where I could. It's double-sided tape and zip tied down. It should be fine. So I'm going to put it up in the air and see how it does. So once again, I forgot my tripod. Well, I have the tripod. I just don't have the Arca Swiss plate mount my camera to the tripod. I keep forgetting that. Holy moly. That is absolutely incredible. I am so absolutely, I'm used to flying analog, which, as you know, analog is not great. Just to have this detail in my goggles is phenomenal. So I tried HD Zero out, and while HD Zero is a fantastic product for what it's good for, like with racing and stuff like that, I would say it just looks like, I think Bot Grinder said it best. It looks like really good analog. This looks like high definition. I mean, I can see individual grass detail right now, which is nuts. This makes the VTX and camera combo cost well worth it. I mean, I'm getting no breakup whatsoever flying around over this. Normally I'd be getting breakup going behind trees. God, this just makes life so nice. Look at this. I'm not gonna lie when I say that this could feasibly make you a better pilot. But, okay, look at this. It looks like there's a UFO up there. That's hilarious. It's weird. Anyway. When I say that this can make you a better pilot, I don't necessarily mean that it's going to make you an actual better pilot. What I mean is it's going to allow you to do things that you normally wouldn't do running analog because you couldn't see them. Like, for instance, flying around these trees here, behind these trees or whatnot. Like, let's just stop for a second. I mean, look at the detail here. Look at that detail. That's nuts. So I've been flying the DJI FPV Drone, and you know, it's amazing in the goggles. Of course, not like this, and it's great. But this is my first time ever wearing DJI goggles with an FPV drone, not the DJI FPV drone, but you know, an actual FPV drone. Now, granted, this is a Cinewhoop. But still,
telemetry lost.
It's crazy.
Telemetry recovered.
There's my rust bucket. Okay, this is my new favorite thing. Absolutely. 100% my new favorite thing. It's freaking awesome.
Have you clicked subscribe yet? What are you waiting for? Just click it!
Just do